Hi guys, this is Miss Aguirre. Summer school starts officially tomorrow. Our first class will begin at 9 a.m. The first thing I need you to do is to, using your student ID and password, go to forwardisd.com or .org in this upper link of your webpage. Then click on Learning at Home from the COVID tab. Then you're going to click on the My Fort Worth ISD ClassLink portal. You're going to sign in with Microsoft. And it's going to open up for you. Mine's going to look a little different because mine is the teacher version. But you're going to go to this Google Classroom app once you're logged in with your kid thing. If you can't find it, just type in Google until it pops up and then click Classroom, which will take you here to another window. And you will not see this yet because you haven't entered, but you'll come over here to the plus sign in the right hand corner where it says click create or join a class. You're going to hit join a class, and then you're going to put in this code 27 lowercase ov 7 lowercase jn, and you'll click join. Since I'm already a part of this class, it's not going to let me in, but that's what you're going to do. Then when you get in, you'll be able to click this tab and you will be able to see everything on our wall. This is where I will post the link for tomorrow's classroom. If you have any other questions, please let me know. I will be calling everyone within class until about 7 or 8 tonight. So if I haven't called you by 7, don't be afraid to call me. My number is 817-899-5895. I look forward to hearing from you.